In this video, we listed the 5 best dash cam on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. TiESFONG M10 Max. The TiESFONG 2K M10 Max is a sophisticated 4-channel dash cam designed for comprehensive vehicle surveillance. It offers high-resolution recording capabilities, with the front camera delivering 2K 2560 by 1440 quality and the additional cameras providing 1080p footage, ensuring clear imaging day and night. The device features a built-in GPS, night vision, and motion detection, along with a loop recording function that automatically overwrites old footage as needed. Compatible with Class 10, U3 microSD cards up to 256 GB, it allows for substantial data storage. The dashcam operates with a supercapacitor rather than a traditional battery, enhancing its longevity and operational reliability in extreme temperatures. Additionally, it incorporates Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for easy access to recordings via a mobile app. The M10 Max also includes a 24-hour parking monitor that activates when motion is detected, providing added security when the vehicle is stationary. Its user-friendly interface supports multiple languages, and it comes with a complete accessory kit for simple installation. Number 2. KAWA Dash Cam. The KAWA D8 Car Dash Cam is a high-performance device designed to enhance vehicle safety and recording capabilities. It features a superior front camera resolution of 3840 by 2160, 4K, with a rear camera quality of 1080p, both powered by the advanced Sony Starvis IMX415 sensor. The device includes a 3.16-inch IPS display for clear viewing, built-in GPS for real-time tracking, and a long 3.5-meter cable for flexible installation. With a range of cutting-edge features such as loop cycle recording, night vision capabilities, and emergency recording via a G-sensor, this device ensures comprehensive surveillance. It supports Wi-Fi connectivity for seamless integration with the KAWA Auto app, allowing users to control the camera and download footage effortlessly. Constructed with durability in mind, the KAWA D8 operates within extreme temperature ranges and employs a supercapacitor for enhanced safety. Additionally, it comes with a 12-month warranty, a 64GB microSD card, and essential accessories, making it a reliable choice for car DVR systems. Number 3. Vantrue N4 Pro. The Vantrue N4 Pro 3-channel 4K HDR Wi-Fi dashcam is an advanced vehicle recording device designed to deliver exceptional image quality and safety features. Equipped with the latest Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, it captures footage in stunning 4K resolution with an 800-megapixel clarity, ensuring detailed recording both during the day and at night. The dashcam features a versatile 3-lens system that can record the front, interior, and rear of the vehicle simultaneously in a combined 4K plus 1080p plus 1080p format, providing a comprehensive view of surroundings ideal for any driving scenario. Enhanced with features like built-in GPS, OTA firmware updates, and 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, users can easily access and share their recordings via the Vantrue app. Additional safety features include hands-free voice control, motion detection with 4 parking modes for continuous surveillance, and a robust dual capacitor that withstands extreme temperatures. This user-friendly dashcam is supported by an 18-month warranty and constant technical assistance, making it a reliable companion for both everyday drivers and rideshare operators. Number 4. TiESFONG 360 Dash Cam. The TiESFONG M8S Mini 4CH Dash Cam is a compact and feature-rich car camera designed to enhance vehicle safety and monitoring. It captures high-definition video at 4*1080p resolution across 4 channels, including optional rear, left, and right cameras, equipped with advanced night vision capabilities. The camera operates efficiently in varying temperatures, supports 24-hour parking monitoring through a radar sensor, and utilizes loop recording with a maximum storage capacity of 256 GB on Class 10 or above microSD cards. It features a range of connectivity options, including built-in GPS and Wi-Fi for easy access to recordings via a dedicated app. The device is equipped with essential features like G-sensor technology for collision detection, motion detection, anti-fog capability, and a low-voltage protection mechanism to prevent battery drain. Its compact design allows for discreet installation, making it an excellent choice for those seeking reliable surveillance in their vehicles. Number 5. LINGDU LD02 Dash Cam. The LINGDU LD02 Dash Cam offers advanced features for vehicle surveillance and recording, making it a reliable choice for drivers. It features a maximum video resolution of 4K at 25 frames per second, with options for multiple camera setups, including front, rear, and cabin views, allowing for comprehensive coverage. The device is powered by a corded electric source and includes a built-in screen, GPS logger, and supports 5 GHz Wi-Fi for high-speed data transfer and app compatibility. Special functions such as voice control, night shot capabilities, and dual parking modes, time-lapse and collision detection, enhance usability and safety. The LD02 utilizes the Sony IMX415 imaging sensor and is equipped with a G-sensor, ensuring secure footage during incidents. With a warranty of 1 year and support for external memory up to 256 GB, it combines convenience, high-definition recording, and smart features for a seamless driving experience.